Hi, welcome to another weekend. One of the great things about writing is that you can really stretch the imagination. You can create any world and any set of characters that you want. Someone who is a master of imagination was this guy. My parents gave me this book on my 6th birthday, and from that day I was hooked on how Dr. Seuss could create magic just by making up words. So for today's challenge, I thought we could have a bit of fun and create some magic of our own. So look around you and grab the first object you see, and then assign a magical power to that object and write a story about it. For instance, what if this coffee cup wasn't just a coffee cup? What if you could reflect light on this picture of the sun and open a portal to a parallel universe? What would happen if you stepped into that universe? What version of the world and your life would you see? What adventure would you have? The point of this exercise is really to try and remove the boundaries from your imagination. We tend to see the objects around us in a very kind of boxed-in way. And by removing the box, you can create all kinds of possibilities. Have fun with the exercise. Let me know in the comments what object you chose and what magical power you gave it. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday for a new week of writing tips.